I am confident it could go head on with some, maybe an F2, F3 tornado and be pretty resilient. Okay, so probably the biggest issue that we're running into, and it's a small obstacle, and it's definitely worthy of what we get to live in this house. Some slight connectivity problems, with Wi-Fi. Obviously, these are really strong, thick walls. I think this is kind of like the first generation of the iPhone. People a little skeptical and maybe want to see this technology bring like an immediate wave of affordability to home building. I don't really think that's how anything works. The first technologies to usually hit the market, it takes time for the cost to adjust and the market to adapt.